Are you concerned about your Seadoo's hood taking your head off because it doesn't stay up on its own? Well, we've got the fix for you today. A while ago I did a video on replacing the hood strut on a 2006-ish Seadoo, and it works great. It's an easily available part. This is a little bit older machine though. This is like a 2001 GTI, 2002, in that kind of realm, and the hood will almost stay up on its own. It doesn't really offer much help lifting, and it kind of doesn't stay if there's more than any amount of wobble. So on the water, this thing won't stay up on its own. You can get these readily available. There's a link to them in the description. And in order to change this, we're going to need some snap ring pliers, not like these ones. These are the wrong kind. I'll have a link to the right kind in the description too. And most importantly, we're going to need a way to hold this hood up so that it doesn't hit us in the head while we're working on this. And here's our answer to that. Problem solved. What do we need to change that hood strut for? All right, let's get in here close so you can see what we need to do. So if you look right up here, you can see our strut, and we've got a pin in the front, a pin in the back here, and they have these little clips on them. And if you get the right tool, it will be easier, but you can pop these little retaining clips off and then slide that pin out. Try not to lose that washer like I'm trying to. And then get our clip in the front as well. So a pair of needle nose pliers could also work to get that off, but once we get that apart, we can slide that out. There's our old hood strut, and we just reinstall our new one. Now we might have to lift up on this a little bit in order to get our new strut to line up, because this probably puts a little bit more pressure on our hood. So take a moment to get that lined up. Put your washer back on, then put your clip back on. Make sure that that clip is in the groove for it. And now let's take a look at how our hood performs. Oh, that's got some resistance to it there. Still shuts nice, but look at that. That opens right up and holds. So that's a fantastic upgrade. You don't have to worry about getting hit in the head while you're out on the water filling up your oil or something else, accessing what's in your storage compartment up here on your Seadoo. So everything you need is down in the description, the part, the tool, everything. We'll see how this thing holds up because it is an aftermarket hood strut, but I mean, it doesn't seem like you could go that wrong manufacturing one of these. So I guess we'll see. But in the meantime, this is something that you should go try if you've got a Seadoo like this. Thanks for watching.